5 Advantages of air duct cleaning. Here are 5 vital benefits of keeping your home's air duct system decontaminated with regular indoor air duct cleaning. Conserving money. The Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) estimates that by cleaning the air system to include the air ducts, registers, and mechanical systems by simply 4/10 of 1 inch of gathered dust, slightly under half an inch, from your heating, cooling system coils can lower energy use by as much as 21%. Envision conserving 21% of your next heating or cooling costs. Keep your heating, cooling systems working as designed. It is estimated that 90% of heating and AC systems breakdown or quit working is due to an absence of correct maintenance. Expenditures for repairing heating or cooling system not maintained is often rather pricey, and general replacement of your air systems can cost many dollars. Cleaning your air system impacts your home's air quality. Duct cleaning is essential to healthy and clean indoor air. Irritants such as pollen, animal dander, hair, dust and hazardous substances like mold, mildew, insect droppings, and so on are regularly discovered in home heating and air systems. If your air ducts are not cleaned up regularly, contaminants in your ductwork can be distributed into your home by methods of the heating and cooling systems. Bear in mind, you do not need to have allergies or asthma, as a lot of these impurities have actually been exposed to trigger extreme health problems. This includes the elderly and very young that can be affected more than others within the home or business. Concerns about allergies, hay fever and asthma. If any person living in your home currently experiences allergic reactions or asthma, duct decontamination can assist to use a healthy environment for an allergic reaction and asthma victims. Regular cleaning has actually been shown to reduce the number of irritants and pollutants discovered in your home, ultimately reducing the opportunities for allergies and other severe illness. Do you experience nasty odors? A moldy or damp odor in your home usually means that mold and/or mildew is concealed in your air duct systems. Professional air duct cleaners can eliminate the smells almost entirely in a short while. Who should I call to clean my air ducts? When you decide to get your air system cleaned, do due diligence and research the best duct cleaning company in your area. We recommend that any company working on your heating and air system should be a local cooling and heating contractor. Make sure that they have at least 2 to 3 years of experience in cleaning air systems. Do they have the proper local or state licensing to perform air duct cleaning? Verify that they have the proper insurance to work on your air system and in your home. Ask for recent local references. Ask them to explain their service from the time they arrive at your home until they clean up and leave your home. Besides the air duct system cleaning, they should clean your mechanical system, to include the air handler, coils, and drain pan to properly clean the air system. Due to importance of improving your indoor air quality, the prime concern should be the proper cleaning of your air system and not the attractive advertisements or ridiculously low pricing. We hope you find this information useful about air duct cleaning and how to find a local air duct cleaner in your hometown.